Hello, this is Ken Sipe, one of the speakers with NFJS or No Fluff Just Stuff. I'm joining the virtual tour this year. I am a software engineer for D2IQ or Day 2 IQ, which stands for Day 2 Intelligence, the focus on Day 2 operations in the data center, which was formerly Mesosphere. Working there, I've been there for almost 6 years now, focused exclusively on orchestration needs within the data center. And I'm taken an opportunity to create this new course, which is extending the Kubernetes as a workshop. So we'll get into the complexities of Kubernetes. We'll get into the API itself, how to extend that API through CRDs, how to create a controller that operates on those CRDs or those new objects that are newly created inside of the Kubernetes cluster, as well as creating plugins for the CLI. As organizations are moving forward and rolling out Kubernetes, it's important to understand Kubernetes from this standpoint, where we can extend it for our own purposes and needs. It works extremely well in stateless services, and it works great with stateful services as well. But the challenges come into the operation side of things and whether an application can be self-healing or not. And this will go through the techniques and tools necessary in order to take ownership of Kubernetes and make it, if you will, personalized, to make it meaningful or appropriate for your organization. So come join me. We'll be actually hands-on 50% of the time. There'll be the theory and understanding of what we're doing, and then we'll break out into workshops where we'll be actually developing these components for extending the Kubernetes ecosystem.